Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unhide photos in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, if your photos are hidden, then you most likely used the locked folder option in your Google Photos account or app, and it is a folder which is hidden from other users, or it is available only to you, and you can access it only with the help of your account password or your device password, depending on where you're using Google Photos from. Now, if you've used this, you would know that to hide those photos and add them to the locked folder, all you need to do is just move them to that folder manually, and then your photos will be moved there. Now, to unhide them, it is as easy as hiding them in the first place. You just go to your locked folder and then transfer the photos to your standard account, enter standard folder, and they should be unhidden from there. Now, you might be prompted to re-enter your password after you enter the locked folder, and you should be able to enter it again, and you just enter it and unhide your photos that way. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.